Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do afternoon thoughts of your person. Please think about your person. Afternoon thoughts of your person. So this is mostly a no contact or a separation phase. Okay. Three of Pentacles. You have heard this person. The person seems sick or something. Let's see again. Three. No. Okay. Three of Cups. This person loves you immensely, manifests you. This person is maybe sick because of this, because he misses you so deeply and intensely. He's confused. Why is he confused? Why is he confused? What makes him confused? Nine of Cups. You are the fulfillment for this person. You were and you will always be the fulfillment for this person. Five of Swords. Okay, you all had a fight, but now y'all don't have a fight. Like, fight is being sorted here. He has forgiven you for something, maybe. Reverse of Lovers. Okay, a separation phase. He feels you don't love him anymore. He does not feel needed by you anymore. Seven of Pentacles. Hmm. Sweet happiness. He misses you. He misses your happiness. Five of Cups. All reverse cards. Five of Cups. He miss. He had regrets, and now he's regretting over those regrets. He's seeing what is need to be seen. He has lost hope because he has understood what he has done. Judgment, reverse. It seems he wants to take action though. Let's see, bottom of the deck we have Three of Swords. He has understood his mistake here. The best thing here, I can see he has understood his mistakes. He has understood what he has done. He has understood that. He has understood what he has done. I'm sorry, my camera just fell off. I tried to arrange it, it just fell off. I'm so sorry. But yes, he doesn't want to fight anymore. He wants to approach. He's confused over something, which is why he cannot take rightful actions. Let's see what is on his mind. Seduction. Oh my god, he misses your energy. He's lustful towards you. He's been watching you, stalking you a lot. He has been watching and stalking you a lot. He can feel, yes, I told you, with the trickstery energy. He can feel that this connection is dead, the relationship is over, and he is hella scared. He is addicted, like obsessed with you, and he wants to come forward with a new offer. Yes, he wants stability, grounding, and growth this time. Outdated thinking, and yeah, with the Three of Swords over in your head. You are over his mind. He's been replaying events again and again. He has been thinking about it, conditioning it. He's finding ways to come towards you. He's finding ways to come towards your energy. So nothing much here. Let's just get, I know he's gonna come forward. So do you want to see how he's gonna come forward? Yes, let's see how is he gonna come forward. Okay, how is he gonna come forward? Okay. With strength, confidence, with he has been manifesting you. The sun, page of wands. Yes, come. He's coming forward. Okay, but he will show you his vulnerability, and he will tell you maybe his parents, his friend, or somebody told him about you both, and because of that he separated. Yes, he's gonna make himself vulnerable. He's gonna make himself as he's gonna make everybody villain around him just to prove himself right person. He's gonna do that. So I can see Virgo energy here. Attend to the details. So when this person comes, attend to the details. I have be humble with the Leo energy. So you might be Virgo, Leo. I have Sagittarius energy with practice gratitude. So when this person comes, be humble. Hear what he has to say. I know you know that he's gonna show victim energy, but be quiet and listen to him. Attend to the details and listen to him. Practice gratitude and trust in the universe. Whatever happens, happens for good. So if you like my channel and if you like this reading, like please like. I really need it. Also, you need to, if you want to claim, you need to, because if you're seeing for as an entertainment purpose, I need the like. Please do it. I not do it. If you want to do it, it's your wish, of course, but if you're seeing it for like actually for the reading, then to claim this energy, please like, so that there's an exchange of energy. Okay. Also comment if you need more such readings. Also, you can message me on my WhatsApp, okay, for personal readings. The amount is very small. So I would like to say that good luck, guys, with this person. I hope so. All your dreams and wishes come true. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.